For a baker in Lower Manhattan, the path to his dream began on a farm.
Renegade Farm was a defunct potato farm in the 1970s that my parents bought, and I spent a lot of summers sort of baking in my swim trunks there. Those are my favorite childhood memories of warmth and safety and nostalgia and sort of baking with clouds of sugar against the sea salty air. I'm Greg Rales, the founder and the owner of Renegade Bakery in East Village.
What kind of misconceptions do your friends have about what it's like to run a bakery?
It's a common misconception that you just sit around and eat cookies all day long, but there's a little bit more to it than that. We specialize in classic American desserts with one or two things in each thing turned up all the way. Instead of a traditional macadamia white chocolate cookie, we like to stew the macadamias for grapefruit instead, add a nice little zing to balance out the sweetness of the white chocolate. We make our homemade Oreos, so we use a lot of natural black cocoa inside of them, which gives them their sort of trademark color and taste. And we're able to mix and match different fillings all the time, which is a lot of fun.
So these are all flavors that Americans would typically be familiar with.
Totally, with one twist that makes people think a little bit about, hey, what's in that?
Tell me a little bit about your background. You were not always running a bakery.
Not always. I worked in TV production for a few years after college and baked there every week and garnered a reputation for that a lot more quickly than I did for international television production, to be honest. My life has changed in a lot of ways since starting this business. Waking up and realizing that this is something that I've been thinking about my entire life.
So you're never thinking, oh, I wish I could just put the suit back on, go back to the office.
That is behind me now. Who knows? Talk to me in 40 years. What I have been most pleasantly surprised about this is how neighborhoody and small town it's felt. I love just the community of it all. New York life is tough. We want people to come in here and treat it like a little oasis in the middle of Manhattan.
How often are you tempted to eat the stuff in here?
I mean, every day. Like, it's constant torture working here.
So you're never like, if I have another taste of sugar, I'll die.
Hasn't happened yet.